Good morning, folks. Today we're going to do the chicken stock, and instead to buy a carcass, what we do, you make your own yourself. So you buy a chicken like that, 5 bucks, 96 the kilo, and then you got 2 fillets plus 2 legs, and you got plenty of things for the carcass and to make your own fresh chicken stock. And by the way, big savings, so you can do it yourself. All it costs you a little bit of time. All you need a sharp knife. Okay, and I'll show you how we do it. Okay, now what we're going to do, see the legs, we have to remove the legs. All you need to do a little cut there. Oh, and then where you see the joint, you open like a book, and you see the joint now is there. All you do, you cut with a knife, and it's coming smooth. Here we are, already a leg. Now you do the same with the other one. Okay, you just put a little bit. Okay, you open like a book, twist, and then you can't miss. Beautiful. Then you got your 2 legs. Now, haha, the fillet. Okay, for the fillet, what you do first, you remove the skin. You could put that in a stock, but it'd be I don't put that in a stock because it's a bit fatty. Okay, we want a fresh stock. So you remove the skin. Okay, like that. Good. And you got now these 2 baby. Oh, nice, nice, nice. So, can you see there the line? That's the bones, the breast. I'm going to cut, put the knife in the middle, and you just follow the bone. You feel with your fingers. And you follow the carcass on here. Okay, carcass. So if you use a knife which is a bit curved like that, is good because you turn slowly like that. Okay, so you try to remove the maximum of flesh to have a big fillet. All right, and when you arrive there, it's a wing. And you see here, you turn around and you remove your fillet completely. Good. Now what you got here, if you want to prepare your fillet, you remove the fat on the side. Okay, just prepare. So, would you prefer to pay a fillet like that, $5 the kilo or $12 the kilo? You tell me. Okay, so if you want, you remove the tenderloin. You do your fillet beautiful. Okay, put them on the side. Now you do the same for the second one. And you follow the bone. Easy. So you follow the wishbone here. Can you see the wishbone? I cut it for you. Hey, if you want to play as well, you can play with the wishbone. Good. All right. You remove well all the flesh, nice fillet along the carcass. And you get the whole breast. So cut here and you remove all beautiful. Okay, you remove the little tenderloin, and you get then 2 nice fillets ready to go. For what you got for $4.90 the kilo, don't tell me you can beat me in the cheapest chicken shop. Ha ha ha. Right? And what you got as well, you can use that for the barbecue, the little wing, if you want, for barbecue. You dip them in a honey sauce. Okay, and I'll remove the skin because I don't like the skin in the stock. All you have to do, remove the skin in one go, and you got beautiful carcass like that to put in your chicken stock. Now nobody can beat you. Okay, and you got a bit of meat there, but you don't care. It'll go to flavor your stock. Stalk of celery, carrots, onion with 4 cloves de girofle, un bouquet garni donc vous avez vu, et puis 4 gousses d'ail. Okay, that's all. So, un petit bouquet garni. Donc what we do, we put parsley like there. When we put 1 leaves only of bay leaves. Then we put 2 rings of thyme, very nice. And then we're going to do the thing a bit complicated, to put a few grams of pepper in the middle. And we're going to fold by folding like that. Okay. As you can see, I didn't lose coal. And you done 6 or 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am not a murderer. I just sharp my knife. We're going to do the chicken stock today. The chicken. There's plenty of meat. All right. We try to cut the carcass in 2, and we follow. Good. Okay. Make it smaller. 1, 2, 3, and we can do that. Okay. Smaller. The carcass. We're going to put all the chicken in a pot. There is a bit of water. Just we want to kill the bacteria. Good. Donc what we do now, good, celery done. Already prepare our onions. We got already prepared, you know, our bouquet garni. Now we do the carrot. Good. Put that for the veggies. And the garlic, what we do, you take the knife, and with the knife, you bang. Oops. Okay. Ready to go. Now, the thing to do is to add, I just washed some parsley. Okay, we put that. Okay, beautiful. At first ablution, we're going to switch off the gas, and we're going to filter the carcass. Okay, what we'll do, put them, and they've been cleaned. All right, no bacteria. And we're going to do the sauce. Now, this water goes to the drain. And we put the water 1.5 liter. And also now you can put all our chicken and we start cooking. Good. Now we can put our carrots, celery, then onions, garlic, parsley, and bouquet garni. Beautiful. And now we're going to boil with a lid to go faster. Okay, now that start to boil, we're going to reduce the flame, okay? Don't need to cover anymore. And actually that start to smell delicious. Oh, very nice. Okay, now we got what's happened, we're going to filter. We remove that. Remove everything. Okay, and then we open a beautiful, that tastes good. Okay, beautiful, fresh stock, very fresh. Of course, you cannot compare this stock with the one you buy in a shop. Absolutely not. Cannot compare. What a beautiful stock we got there. See? We got some little bubbles. That's the fact. We're going to filter that to the max. Now we obtain a beautiful chicken stock with no fat and no impurity. Clear as. Okay, what we got? Little cloth like that. All the impurity are in the cloth and we can wash that for the next one. Okay? Now I'm going to transfer in a little container. The container like that. Okay, by doing that, I got my 4 little containers and I'm going to freeze. Beautiful.